Swaddy Cup, I'm the Legend of Israel, and today we're going to review the Venum Elites boxing gloves. So these are the Elite, or the Venum Elite boxing gloves, and these were given to me before I went out to go fight in Bangkok, Thailand. They've seen a lot of bags. I've used them quite a bit. They're still great. They're definitely, they almost look like as if they could be brand new. Now, the Elites in the Venum line, it's really open on the inside, okay? So, I mean, you have no problem putting your fist through there, which also means you have a lot of play, you know? These are 16 ounce. So, and my hands with wraps, right? Pretty large, but you know, I can feel that there's a lot of room in there. You could take that as, well, where's the protection? The mold here is still good. I like how Venum has this dip from the thumb area. I'm able to, you know, have some play there, which is fine. You know, and there is padding here on the palm area. It's another reason why I like Venum. It's not a lot. If I get kicked to where I really block with my palm, I am gonna feel it. This version of glove is the more affordable glove from Venum. So, you know, the more, it seems, the more money you put into your gloves, the more protection you got. So you get what you pay for. You know, they are comfortable. You gotta wear hand wraps with the Elites because there's a lot of room inside. The padding's still there, you know, don't get me wrong. It's cool, you know, it's just not gonna be the type of glove that, there's better gloves, that's what I'm trying to say. But like I said, I've trained with this, I would say, since 2021. So yeah, and I mean, it's still in good condition. I've sparred with these. I've hit multiple heavy bags with this. So yeah, and it's still good condition. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the heavy bag and let's see how it feels. I haven't worn these gloves since then, you know, I would say about a year. So let's go ahead and see how it feels.
All work, no pleasure. Make friends, big step. Hey, bad guy. Ready for whatever, I'll be front. Your body top to bottom. Came in arrogant, but let me structure. Fuck the comparison, y'all know you're really replicated. Chilling in the desert, I'm good under pressure. Hold it down, look at what we found. This a marathon, not a sprint. Let's go 100 miles. Never coming down.
These gloves, they have been with me for a couple years now. You definitely got to wear hand wraps with these. I would say these are the great beginner's glove. I can start to feel, if I keep on hitting that way for the next, I don't know, week and a half, I would say, with these gloves, I'm gonna start to feel pain. If you are starting off with boxing or Muay Thai, you know, it's good to get gloves that you can stick with for, you know, at least 6 months. And I would say these are great because they're affordable. And there is good play in it, you know, but you're not gonna be hitting how hard I hit, you know, and that's fine because what you should be focused on is form. But when you really wanna start hitting hard, you gotta get better gloves. You gotta get more cushion. But I'd say these are the great beginner gloves. And I mean, with hand wraps, I cannot imagine using these gloves without hand wraps and hitting a bag that's 100 pounds up hard. You're probably gonna mess up your hands. Not because of wrist play, it's just, you know, hitting it hard and you can feel the, you know, the vibration just go down. Other than that, good beginner gloves, okay? There may be a link down below if you're looking to make a purchase on the Venum Elites, and there are better Venum gloves out there. I'm just saying, can't afford the better gloves, go with this one for now, okay? But once you start hitting hard, you're gonna need something that has a bit more protection, okay? So I hope I've helped you make a decision whether you wanna purchase the Elites or not. Just saying, from my perspective, my fists, me hitting 100+ bag kind of thing, yeah, beginner gloves, fantastic. But if you hit hard, you're a big guy, you gotta get something more. Save your money, buy a better glove. All right then. Anyways, like and subscribe. And as always, gop and gop.